This is regarding you all's 2A federal gun rights or federal firearm rights. And I'm going to make this video, and this will be my one and only time making this. And I need you all to listen closely to me, because I know that you all are listening to a lot of individuals who are saying that 2A gun rights is a God-given right. It's a constitutional right. And I concur 100%. But let me say this, and I'm speaking from a former police officer's position. It does not matter if you are stopped and you are a felon in possession. If you have been convicted of a felony, be it a violent felony or a non-violent felony or a misdemeanor, domestic violence, you have lost your federal firearm rights. Now, you can take a stance all day. You can do what you want to do. You can fight it however you choose to fight it. If you're stopped, you are going to jail. Period. I'm not an attorney, so I'm not going to give you legal advice, but this is what I will say. The best thing you could do for yourself right now is do the things necessary to restore your federal gun rights. And then when you get your federal gun rights back, your 2A constitutional rights back that you lost through a conviction, you can fight the system from there. But first, do the things that's necessary to get your federal gun rights restored. And I'm going to say this, and I'm going to let you all know how the fighting that you all do, and I'm going to say the talking, the constant talking about this being a constitutional right. I'm going to say how much the government has cared about what you all have said over the past 30 years. No one since 1992 has had their federal gun rights restored. So all of the talking over the past 30 years have not amounted to anything. But right now you have an opportunity to restore your firearm rights. You get your rights back, then you can fight and make the process for those who come in the future easier. You can make it better. You can make what Second Amendment rights, what the Constitution say, you can make it stand. I'm saying this to you all because at this point it's really getting aggravating. And I say it's getting aggravating simply because I get so many comments with people saying that this is a God-given right, this is a constitutional right. I understand all of that. But in the past 30 years, you're talking, what has it done for you? What has it accomplished for you? In 30 years, I'm going to say 30 plus years, because it has been since 1992, the last time before this group of people, this group of 10 individuals who just got their federal gun rights restored, federal firearm rights restored in April of 2025, to include Mel Gibson. No one has had it done before then. So over the past 30 plus years, what has your talk done for you? It has done nothing. So you can say all day long, these are my rights and they should not be infringed upon. I understand. But I'm going to tell you what. Let me tell you what the law says. And I'm speaking to you not simply from the position of a regular person, not simply from the position of the United States Army veteran, but also the position of a former cop, Texas peace officer. It doesn't matter, because if you have been convicted of a felony and you are stopped and you are in possession of a firearm or ammunition, you are going to be arrested. And you most likely will be sentenced. So this is your reality check. You can keep fighting, you can keep saying, you can keep making your stance, you can keep, and for those of you who keep saying, oh, I'm gonna carry my weapon anyway, carry your weapon and see where that gets you. And this is all I have to say. The application portal for federal gun rights restoration is about to open. You can be one of those who keep going around the mulberry bush talking about, well, the government is infringing upon my rights. You can be that person. You can be that person if you choose to be and keep going around the mulberry bush. Or you could be totally proactive and start getting your paperwork together, your documents together. So once the application portal opens, you are ready to submit your application and get your federal firearm rights, federal gun rights restored. And then with someone who's in compliance, you can work from outside the system and help those who are still maybe perhaps caught up in the system. Talking about it, whining about it, it's not going to accomplish a thing. Being proactive and active and making things happen, not only can you change this for yourself, but you can also change it for many people to come. Because guess what? It's over 25 million of you all who have lost your federal gun rights due to a felony conviction or a misdemeanor domestic violence conviction. So you can acknowledge what you've done. You can acknowledge your conviction and right your wrong. Or you can be that person who keep wanting to just whine and stay locked out because you are a felon in possession. That's all I have to say. You can all, don't keep letting people blow your heads up, making you want to keep trying going up against the government, because honestly, you won't win. You'll just be one of those people looking from the outside in as other people are getting their business taken care of. And with that, I'm going to end. Go to legalgangsta.com. That's legal-gangsta.com. Get your workbook and your mock application and get yourself prepared. So when the application portal opens to restore your federal gun rights, you'll be first in line, or else you can be left behind.